It was 1980. The oil business was booming, and I decided to go, instead of using my journalism degree, to go out to the oil fields of West Texas. And got a job working, worked there for a couple of years. There was a particular night in February, I think it was February 1981, where I was 30 feet up an oil derrick. It was cold, 25 degrees, the wind chill factor, probably 10, held on by a safety cable, frozen solid, it seemed. And I thought to myself, maybe there's a better path for me in life than this. So I climbed down from that derrick and called a buddy who was already in law school at South Texas. And I said, I don't know if I want to be a lawyer, but I'm fairly certain I don't want to do this.
He came from a family of service. His father was a state trooper. His father was killed in the line of duty, and his mother, Georgia, raised Randy and his sisters as a single mom. I mean, you want to talk about service? You talk about a family who paid the ultimate sacrifice, and then Georgia did fabulous with Randy and his sisters. And so you go to his DNA, and it's real easy to see why he is an amazing man of service.
I do consider myself to be a very lucky person to have the family that I have, to have been a lawyer in Austin, Texas, to have the partners in the law firm that I have been lucky enough to be a part of. I just think that I'm very fortunate, all things considered, to be where I sit today.
One day we were over at the firm and I said, Howry, I keep seeing people everywhere and they're telling me how nice you are. Come on, dude, we're trial lawyers. Really? And he looked at me and he said, Breen, one asshole in this law firm is just about enough. And let me just tell you, I told him I didn't appreciate him talking about Tim Herman that way. That's for sure.
Randy Howry is like the godfather of the Austin Bar Association. I can just imagine him sitting there with a scotch and a cigar and asking you when you came in, what can I do for you today? Because he's always given his time, talent, and labor, much labor, to this bar organization. And that's one of the reasons why I nominated him for this award.
It means a lot to me. It represents that my colleagues in the bar who also have received this award recognize my service to the bar and so forth. I mean it when I say that the Austin Bar Association has been important to me, and to receive this award from the Austin Bar is perhaps my proudest moment.
What's the reason that he's been so successful? And it's his wife, Julia Baker Howry. And she is just an incredible person and has just been an amazing wife and mother to their two beautiful children, and enabled him to go out and have the kind of stellar career he's had.
There's a whole bunch of people to thank. Certainly my family that's here tonight, my wife and my children. I want to thank my partners, Sean and Tim, and I want to thank our whole Howry Breen staff for being supportive of me. And I'm thankful to Delane and the Austin Bar Association. The list is long, and I know by what I just said I'm leaving somebody out of importance, but I'm very thankful for everything.
Year in and year out, he has been a really good attorney. He's gotten the respect of the judges, the juries he's appeared in front of, the opponents that he's had as other attorneys. And it's just been a really great career over a long period of time now, where he's done things the right way and he's been successful doing it.
For 3 decades, he's demonstrated how much he cares for other people, how much he serves, how much he believes in our system of justice. All of that. Some people can do that some of the time, but when you do it consistently, passionately, like Randy has for 3-4 decades, I mean, he is a lawyer like he lives his life the right way.
That's distinguished.